Please.
This is Food Analysis and Quality Control Laboratory of Department of Food Engineering and Technology. The laboratory handles the regular class practicals work of ICD, UG and PG courses of the department as per course curriculum along with research, consultancy, in-house training and extension work. The mandate and policy of the laboratory is to entrust and inculcate practical aspects as per the requirement of professional courses and inbuilt practical competency to technocrats and entrepreneurs. In order to fulfill the requirements of practical classes and research requirements with respect to food analysis and quality control, the laboratory is equipped with lab manuals, equipment SOP, equipment list displayed on the notice board, general purpose requirement such as chemicals, glasswares, assemblies and routine instruments such as hot air oven, pH meter, muffle furnace, water bath, distillation unit, magnetic stirrer and analytical balance vacuum pump, protein estimation unit, heating mantle, photometer, IR moisture meter, refrigerator and for research purpose the sophisticated equipments such as automatic protein analyzer, bomb calorimeter, polarimeter, electrophoresis, laboratory centrifuge, digital pH meter, FIBRA plus, halogen moisture meter, Cal plus, melting point apparatus, millipore, vacuum filtration assembly, portable turbimeter, seed germinator, humidity chamber, SOX plus, UV visible spectrophotometer. The laboratory is also having fire extinguisher, first aid box, health register, equipment logbook, goggles, gloves and laboratory apron. This laboratory is being looked after by trained and experienced technical staff and faculty in Jharkhand.
So this compartment constitutes some of the sophisticated equipments which are used for the research purpose and for the PG classes. So this is a fully automatic protein analyzer used to check the protein content directly. It gives us the readings. This is also having inbuilt software aligned with the printer. Now this equipment is bomb calorimeter, which is used to check the calorific value of the food for the prepared products. And this is UV spectrophotometer. We check the color characteristics of food material. So this UV spectrophotometer is equipped with software which is having the display facility with the computer system. Similarly, we have also the laboratory centrifuge which are mostly used for the analytic purpose. This equipment also contains the digital balance, precise infrared moisture meter. We have electrophoresis. Now these labs we conduct various experiments, and we have the manuals for the experiment, and also we have the ready-made books in the shape of manuals which we use to for the experimental work of the different students. Along with this, this laboratory have some other equipments which include a melting point apparatus, and we have also this melting point apparatus is industry-based equipment used to check the melting point of various oils, and we have also the equipment Rodolph polarimeter. Now this is used to check the sugar content quality, and similarly we have also the industrial based Lowy-Bond tintometer. This is used to check the color characteristics of especially the oils, and similarly we have a nephalometer. This nephalometer is used to check the turbidity of the water. Normally this lab are analytical based lab, and mostly we handle here the students of that is from the in-house training as well as for practical aspects of related to the course content. Thank you.